Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. India has imposed new restriction on imports from Bangladesh through land ports affecting the goods worth $770 million. Here we are bringing you the full details. India banned key imports via land routes. Dhaka suffers amid $9.2 trade deficit. Imports now only allowed through Mumbai and Kolkata seaports. Several items like fruits, drinks and furniture affected. Bangladesh export sector hit hard, especially textiles. Yes viewers, in a tit-for-tat move, India has banned imports of several items from Bangladesh via land routes, dealing a severe blow to Dhaka, which already had a massive trade deficit with Delhi amounting to $9.2 billion for a fiscal year ending March 2024, according to a notification sent by the Commerce Ministry. Imports from Bangladesh will only be allowed through Mumbai's Nhava Sheva and Kolkata's seaports. Several items like fruits, fruit-flavored and carbonated drinks, processed food items, wooden furniture, plastic dyes, cotton and cotton yarn waste, among others, have been included in the list. Imports of these products through the land custom checkpost in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram and Fulbari in West Bengal have now been banned. However, fish, edible oil, LPG and custard stones have been expected from the list. This move will make Bangladeshi goods even more expensive, acting as a disincentive for Indian importers. Bangladesh, a major exporter of textiles and ready-made garments, will now be unavailable to send these goods by land routes, severely impairing Dhaka's export sector. Last month, the Narendra Modi government pulled the plug on the transshipment facility that had allowed Bangladesh export cargo to flow smoothly to other countries like Bhutan, Nepal and Manipur. Days after Bangladesh stopped its import of yarn, which forms 30% of Delhi's textile exports to Dhaka through Benapole, Burma and Burimari land ports. Meanwhile, Bangladesh Chief Advisor Mohammad Yunus called for an integrated economic plan for Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and Seven Sisters last week. This proposal came 2 months after Yunus urged China to extend its economic footprint not only to Bangladesh but also to India's 7 northeastern states. Viewers, in a move signaling escalating trade friction, India has imposed a ban on the import of wide array of goods from Bangladesh via land routes, intensifying concern in Dhaka, already grappling with a substantial trade imbalance with its neighbor. A notification issued by India's Commerce Ministry stipulates that imports from Bangladesh will now be exclusively permitted through the seaports of Nhava Sheva in Mumbai and Kolkata. This directive effectively closes the land custom checks in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and West Bengal locations of Changrabandha and Fulbari for numerous Bangladeshi products. The list of prohibited imports includes fruits, fruit-flavored and carbonated beverages, processed food items, wooden furniture, plastic articles, dyes and cotton yarn waste. However, certain essential commodities such as fish, edible oil, liquefied petroleum gas and crushed stones have been expelled from the restriction. The decision is anticipated to inflate the cost of Bangladeshi goods for Indian buyers, potentially deepening their interest Furthermore, Bangladesh, a significant player in the textile and ready-made garment sectors, will face considerable logistical challenges as it can no longer utilize land routes for these key exports, posing a severe setback to its export operations. The recent action follows India's suspension last month of the transshipment facility that had facilitated the smooth transit of Bangladesh export cargo to neighboring countries like Bhutan, Nepal and Myanmar. Shortly thereafter, Bangladesh retaliated by halting its import of yarn, a crucial component accounting for 30% of Delhi's textile exports to Dhaka through several key land imports. Amidst this escalating trade tension, Bangladesh's chief advisor Muhammad Yunus last week advocated for an integrated economic plan for Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and the Seven Sisters of Northeast India. This proposition emerged 2 months after Yunus encouraged China to broaden its economic influence to encompass not only Bangladesh but also India's northeastern states. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NA.